All right, Mr. Cloud, your attorney is out sick.
Okay, how you doing this morning?
Doing okay. How you doing?
I'm doing all right, best that I can be. You know what I mean?
All right, okay, so
I
here,
got a couple of objections I'd like to make though about this indictment I got.
all right, so that needs to be done through your attorney.
Well, I haven't talked to the dude. I don't know where he's at. And
He's
so
sick.
but he's always sick. He's supposed to see me in the jail on.
All right,
like-
so let me talk to you.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, so right now you're coming at me at 100. My suggestion is you put it on 80.
Yeah, I'm good.
All right, so then that means lowering your voice.
Okay, I'm
All right.
sorry. I mean, I talk loud. I'm talking too loud or something?
Yes, you're talking very loud, and usually people up here and whisper. So,
Oh, I'm sorry. I was a Marine. I'm used to talking loud. I want to get my point across. That's all.
well, I mean, you don't have to, talk overly loud for me to hear you and get your point across.
I'm talking as low as I possibly can.
Okay.
Right here.
All right. So what I'm telling you is your plea deadline date is today.
Okay.
Your attorney is ill, so your attorney cannot be here. Your attorney's not going to be here.
Stuff going on. Because really, I have some couple of objections because he hasn't done his job. He ain't come to see me. There's evidence that needs to be brought to light. Some concealment of information that has not been, stowed. When I read the reports, I seen that there was ambiguous nature that was also on the indictment that I was.
So I want you to hear me. So time out. This is the thing. I want you to hear me.
Yeah, I'm listening.
So all of the information that you're giving me right now, that you're saying the indictment is incorrect, it does no good to give you that, for you to give me that information now. You know why? Because your attorney is not here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to reset this case for the week of July 7th. Your attorney will be here. And if your attorney is not here, then we'll address that issue as well. What date?
The defendant believes his case has been ignored for months and is determined to make the judge hear his side. But the judge refuses to debate the facts without his attorney present. Instead, she reminds him that respect and proper courtroom procedure come first. With tensions rising and no lawyer in the courtroom, the hearing suddenly becomes about much more than just the charges.
All right, July 7th. All right, and this is what the other thing I want to tell you.
Yeah, go ahead.
I don't know what was happening between you and the deputy, but no. In this courtroom, I require that everyone treat everybody with respect.
Yeah, he came at me foul though, so I'm.
No. Let me just tell you. Here's the thing.
Yeah, go ahead.
This is what I've discovered in my time on the planet and my time in working in courts. If you have a judge who is rude and disrespectful to people, then you know what ends up happening? Everybody on the staff, everybody in court thinks, oh, the judge is rude to people, so it's okay to be rude to people. I don't have people be rude to people. I'm not rude to anybody. So what I can tell you is the deputies, they're not my employees, but I know they're not rude to people. The staff, they're not my employees, but I know they're not rude to people.
Okay.
The people I'm in charge of hiring is the court coordinator and the court reporter. And guess what? They're not rude to people because I'm not rude to people, and I don't tolerate people to be rude to people. So here's the thing. When you are frustrated over something, that doesn't mean that you take your frustration out over Nope. You don't take your frustration out on other people, because guess what ends up happening? What ends up happening is everybody shuts down. Nobody's listening because you're coming at them in a certain way. Okay. So your attorney's not here. There's nothing I can do about your attorney not being here because your attorney is ill. What I can tell you is your attorney was here on April 25th. Your attorney was here on June 2nd. Your attorney is ill. It happens. I don't think he was standing outside saying, please let me get sick so I can't come to court. So we're going to bring you back on July 7th. On July 7th, your attorney will be here and you can discuss what issues you feel you have that are valid concerns or valid motions, and he will talk to you about that.
Okay. Well, can I ask you a question? Because
sure,
the case has been dismissed, right? And they indicted me, and I've been asking him, when you gonna file a motion to suppress through this and that? He hasn't done his point. He hasn't done his job. He's ineffective. I'm like, dude, can you do something about it? I'm gonna come visit you. Doesn't come visit me. 183 days go by. Okay. I've already had a section 17 1.15 a violation where they didn't even give, DA didn't give me no, liberty on that. I'm on parole. So I wanted to go home at that time. I breed dogs and I can't have my liberty to be free at a time when I'm supposed to, because you didn't indict me. And then you indict me at 145 days later, and then my parole states me have to be stuck in jail. I'm tired of being locked up. And then you dismiss the charge. There's the inadequacy of the charge. It doesn't make any sense. The charge is dismissed. Why do I gotta stay in jail and have to put up with nonsense if the charge is already dismissed?
All right,
That's
so
a crazy
what I'm
thing.
telling you is that your charges have not been
They're
dismissed.
using the charge instrument as the indictment. I understand that, yes.
Yeah, so your charges have not been dismissed.
But
And this is the thing. I always tell people to listen.
okay.
And what I told you was, it does no good for you to tell me about how you think your case should be dismissed because your attorney is not here. Now, if you just want me to listen to it, I will listen to it. But it does no good for me to listen to it because you have an attorney and your attorney is not here. Your attorney is ill. So we will bring you back on July 7th and we will hear that.
I understand that, but understand where I'm coming from. I'm objecting because I never even evaded arrest, and this is just a bunch of nonsense.
Okay, so let me ask you
It makes no
this.
sense.
Let me ask you this. Are you talking to me about your case?
The indictment and the case itself, I never evaded arrest at all. Okay, the problem was
No,
existing.
no. Here's my question. I want you to hear what I'm saying. Are you talking to me about your case?
The indictment and the case is involved with the indictment, of course.
All right, that's either yes or no. Is that what
Indeed,
you?
I am. Yes.
All right, so did I not say that it does no good for you to speak to me about your case because you have an attorney and that attorney needs to be here? Your attorney is ill, so we're bringing you back on July 7th. All right?
All right, put your hand.
All right, so no. They're going to take you away, okay?
I'm getting my stuff. Don't put your hand in. You need to talk to this dude too. I don't take that from nobody, bro. Don't put your hands on me like that. I don't give a damn. I know I'm coming back there.
It's still Friday Eve. It's going to be a great day.
Morning, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Morning, how you doing?
Oh, I'm doing fine.
All right.
So your attorney, your client wanted to speak to you. He said he hasn't had a chance to speak to you.
We talked today, Your Honor.
We spoke.
We kind of got some
At length,
things to do.
Judge, and there is a motion to suppress that has been filed, Your Honor, so we're asking for a setting on that motion to suppress.
Is that motion to suppress going to be dispositive?
I believe so, Judge. I mean,
No, I mean, is it or isn't it? Because otherwise it will be run with trial.
it will be dispositive. Judge.
All right, state? All right. They're saying that if the motion is granted, of course, the case is done. But if it's not granted, they're saying they're going to enter a plea.
Oh, there's no proof.
That's what that means, dispositive. It means that if,
I take it no proof.
all right, so then we
be
need
run with trial,
to, can you
Judge?
do a jury trial setting, please? If y'all will confer with Ms. Ferguson.
Without.
But I mean, it'll be run with trial, so.
No, I don't know.
All right,
Who's responsible?
how long do y'all expect this trial to last?
You'll have.
For testimony, 2 days.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, jury trial date, they say 2 days.
It's possible because I'm not gonna take no proof off. That's how I'm gonna run trial. I want to suppress before trial, and you don't have the video.
All right,
John,
your
let me
jury
listen.
trial date is going to be August 5th?
August 5th?
Yes. All right, thank you. And counsel, if you just sign the discovery acknowledgement before you leave.
Well, Judge, the state is inquiring about some additional discovery to see if the Helotes Police Department has that discovery available, so that's all we're waiting on.
Judge, I don't believe that it exists, but just as a courtesy to them, I did reach out to confirm that. But to my knowledge right now, that video does not exist. I did reach out to the arresting agency earlier today saying, hey, please confirm whether this video exists or not. And I did confer with Mr. Controlla about that, but I've not heard back as of yet.
All right. All right, so you'll be scheduled for jury trial August 5th, and they'll bring you over dressed for trial.
I have a question, Ron.
Sure.
I would like a suppression hearing outside of that because there's some objections to the indictment that I haven't got to put in. I haven't been able to speak with
The
counsel.
objection to the indictment is something completely different than a motion to suppress.
Well, we
You
have.
can discuss that with your attorney.
And I will file motions.
All right, thank you.
If necessary, Judge.
All right, thank you. Hello.
Good morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Afternoon again. I
Good
did it
afternoon.
twice.
Yes.
More afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yes.
So Mr. Cloud and I are recently acquainted.
Mhm.
I'm still getting all the discovery from the state, and Mr. Cloud and I would like a chance to review all that together before we go to the next step if possible.
All right. So, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
on how much time do you need for discovery? What are you thinking?
Probably maybe the same day we just chose.
All right, Norm, if you can bring this back on August 18th for discovery, please.
Yes, ma'am.
All
All
right,
right, thank you, Judge.
thank you.
Yes.
What do you think? Was the judge right? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more courtroom videos.